In the initial setup process for Paid Memberships Pro, you're prompted to generate or assign specific WordPress pages for each required front-end membership page. But what if you find that these membership pages are missing? Hi, I'm Sam Darty, and I'll be helping you find or create those missing pages. For most sites, you should see a Generate Pages for Me button located at Memberships, Settings, Pages. If you do not see this option to automatically generate the pages, the most likely reason is that someone previously created and then deleted them. Navigate to Pages, All Pages, and see if they're in the trash. Look for the deleted membership pages such as membership account, membership billing, etc. If the pages are there, go ahead and restore those pages. After restoration, you may need to reassign the pages to the correct front-end page by navigating to Memberships, Settings, Pages again. All right, now if you're still with me, you still have missing pages. You've checked the trash, and it's a no-go. Let's create the necessary pages to get your membership site up and running. In your WordPress site, navigate to Pages and select Add New. You will need to create a new page for each of the membership pages that are required. I'll link below a blog post containing a table of pages that are needed. As you create these pages, each page will need the corresponding required block or shortcode. Publish each page and then navigate back to Membership Settings Pages to assign the pages within Paid Memberships Pro plugin. By following these steps, you can be certain that all the necessary Paid Memberships Pro pages are correctly set up and assigned. If you need more help, please reach out to our support team. Like and subscribe for more content like this.